Hey guys, welcome back to BDR Garage, and definitely sorry about the delay on this. So, as you know, before it had lead acid batteries, 24 volt 500 watt motor, 36 volt 1000 watt controller from fast scooters. Now it has a lithium pack. It's a 36 hour 10 amp. And it's kind of sticking out a little bit, but you got a hookup. This does nothing because I run it with the key. I've been riding it, but it hits about 40. 1.7 or 8 is fully charged, so I can still ride it at 38. You just don't want to underload to get it below 30 volts. So only when I get down about 36 standing volts, then I got to kind of watch my throttle. Otherwise, fresh battery, I can peg it from start and it takes off. So that's what I got done, and now comes the speed test. If you have any questions, feel free to make a comment and let me know what's going on. Alright, see you on the test run. I'm going to try to hold it on there so you guys can see. It's going to be interesting. Guys get, and that's just a 24 volt 500 watt motor with a 36 volt 1000 watt controller. So oh, I didn't notice that before. My max is 27. I would say 26. There you guys go. I hope it's a decent video. And if not, let me know in the comments, and I will try to do an onboard, because apparently we used GoPro was dead. So I was going to try to hold that in my mouth or my hand, but I was 27 miles an hour, 36 volt 10 amp hour lithium battery, 24 volt 500 watt motor, and the fast scooters 36 volt 1000 watt controller.
I don't know. It worked for me. And dude, I love this thing. It's perfect. So yeah, I'll link this to the first video that had the lead acid batteries. And thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think. Have a good night.